ساتھ آج ایک بہت اسپیشل گیسٹ بیٹھے ہوئے ہیں اقبال صاحب اینڈ آئی بین ٹاکنگ ٹو ہم اباؤٹ ہز کمپنی which is by the name of Sun Consulting. But we haven't talked about you. I really want to know about your family, your hobbies. کیا پسند ہے آپ کو, کیا نہیں پسند؟
I have 5 children.
Okay, mashallah.
Thank you. And my eldest daughter, after doing her undergrad from LUMS, just completed her master's degree from Boston College.
Okay.
My second daughter, after her A-levels at Karachi Grammar, she's graduating this December from NYU, New York University.
Ah, okay.
And my third daughter, Sana, she is in the final year of her A-levels at Karachi Grammar again. And mashallah, so far she has 15 out of 15 A's.
All right.
And I'm expecting her to,
you're a very good student.
that she will continue this. She's also going to go to one of the good schools, inshallah, in USA. My son Adil is in 10th grade at the Karachi American School. He has been recognized for his accomplishments by President Barack Obama.
Wow.
And he's second year will be going to Harvard to make speeches.
Wow, you've got amazing children. You should be,
yes.
I'm sure you're proud of them.
I mean, my wife, a lot of people give credit to me, but I think the credit goes to my wife, Shaheen. She works hard with them. And my last daughter, Maliha, she is the most well-read in the family. She is in grade 6 probably, but have read about 1,000 books. So she does.
Okay. What do you have to say on, certain parents? ویسے تو ہمارے parents بہت آؤٹ آف دا وے جا کے اپنے بچوں کے لیے کرتے ہیں, جتنا خود افورڈ نہیں کر سکتے اس سے زیادہ کرتے ہیں. بٹ دیر آر سرٹن پیپل ہو فیل کہ اپنے بچوں کو باہر بھیجنے سے شاید اس وجہ سے ڈاؤٹ فل ہوتے ہیں کہ انسیکیور ہوتے ہیں وہ, کہ باہر جا کے بگڑ نہ جائے بچہ, یا باہر جاتا ہے تو اس کو اپرچونیٹیز زیادہ مل جاتی ہیں, واپس لوٹ کے نہیں آئے گا. آئی ایم شیور بہت سارے ایسے ریزنز ہوتے ہیں. تو اس کے بارے میں آپ کیا کہیں گے ٹو دا پیرنٹس کہ وہ انویسٹ کریں اپنے بچوں میں اور کل کو دیٹ وڈ بی بیٹر فار دیئر کڈس؟
جی, آپ نے یہ بالکل صحیح کہا کہ ہمارے پیرنٹس جو ہے اپنے بچوں کی بہتری میں ٹریمینڈسلی انویسٹ کرتے ہیں. بلکہ میں تو یہ کہتا ہوں کافی پیرنٹس تو بہت کچھ انویسٹ کرتے ہیں تاکہ ان کی آنے والی نسلیں بہتر ہوں. وہ اپنی ہر خواہشات کو قطع نظر رکھ کے اپنے بچوں کی فیوچر کے لیے کرتے ہیں انویسٹ. لیکن میں یہ کہوں گا کینیڈا جانے کے لیے اگر کینیڈا کو سے اگر ماں باپ کو اپنے بچوں کے لیے اور خاص کر کے لڑکیوں کے لیے وہ لڑکیوں کو بھی نہ روکیں. Canada is the safest place on earth. If you go to the Google and ask which is the safest country to live in, it will throw up Canada again and again and again and again. And I would say that a lot of parents are willing to send their sons. I think they should be equally comfortable in sending their daughters abroad. اور میں یہ بھی سمجھتا ہوں کہ there are many times that parents could not bear the initial cost. I would strongly urge that the parents, wherever possible, should explore other resources within the family, within the larger family, or even selling their asset and investing in their children abroad, because what that youth will be able to pay back, or the ROI, return on your investment, is greatest if the child goes to Canada, studies, gets a work permit, graduates, makes a very handsome salary. He will be able to pay back many more times what has been invested in the foreign education.
Is there any message that you'd like to give out to all those people who want to go abroad to Canada, who want to study there, or want to get a diploma in some skill or something?
Yes, the message I would like to share for our youth is don't give up. Even if you live in Pakistan or if you go abroad, you have the right to improve your life and achieve all your goals. If you get an opportunity to travel abroad and to do so, more power to you.
Thank you. That was a good message. But now this would be the end of the show, and it was great having you here.
Good.
But before we leave, I would like you to, give out your email or your website address once again for all those people who've missed out on that. You can contact Mr. Iqbal on that.
You can visit our website at www.sunenterprises.ca or call our UAAN number 111-925-925. And thank you for having me in your show.
Thank you, sir, for coming here. It was a pleasure having you.